What's the first thing people ask when they meet you? What's your sign? For most, astrology is just about sun signs. You check your horoscope, read a few predictions, and that's it. But what if I told you that your sun sign is just the tip of the iceberg? Let's take an example, Marilyn Monroe. She's remembered as the ultimate Gemini, full of charm, wit, and captivating presence. But astrology tells a deeper story. Let's unravel her full chart. Astrology is more than just your sun sign. It's about your moon, your rising, your planetary placements, and how they interact to create the full picture of who you are. Imagine your birth chart as a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment you were born. It includes your sun sign, your core personality, your moon sign, your emotional world and inner self, your rising, how the world sees you, planets and houses, the deeper layers of your personality and destiny. Your birth chart is unique, like a cosmic fingerprint. If you only focus on your sun sign, you're missing the full story. No one exemplifies this better than Marilyn Monroe. Yes, Marilyn Monroe was a Gemini sun, playful, magnetic, and full of curiosity. That explains her wit, adaptability, and natural ability to captivate a room. But her moon in Aries added a layer of fiery independence, emotional impulsivity, and a deep longing for excitement. Her Leo ascendant made her appear confident and radiant, drawing attention wherever she went. But this also created an expectation. She was always expected to shine, even during her most vulnerable moments. Her Venus in Aries influenced her love life, bringing passion, whirlwind romances, and an intense need for excitement in relationships, though stability often felt elusive. Her midheaven in Taurus shaped her career path, aligning her with beauty, sensuality, and timeless appeal. Yet Taurus craves security, something she struggled to find within the demands of Hollywood. Her birth chart reveals a far deeper story than what her sun sign alone could explain. Now that we've seen how Marilyn Monroe's chart reveals layers of her personality and destiny, let's talk about how astrology can help you in your own life. Self-discovery. Struggling with self-doubt? Your Saturn placement might be holding you back. Feeling directionless? Your North Node shows your soul's path and purpose. Don't fully relate to your sun sign? Your moon and rising likely hold the answers. Relationships and compatibility. Ever felt an instant connection or instant friction with someone? Your moon, Venus, and Mars signs reveal emotional needs and romantic chemistry. Example, a moon in Capricorn craves emotional stability, while a moon in Gemini seeks intellectual stimulation, potential for either balance or conflict. Career and purpose. Mercury's placement shows how you think and communicate, key for understanding your work style, decision-making, and the careers that suit you best. Your midheaven MC reveals your ideal career direction. Jupiter's placement highlights areas where you naturally thrive and expand. Understanding your birth chart can provide clarity and direction in all these areas of life. Astrology isn't just for self-reflection. It's a tool you can use daily. Track the moon sign. The moon affects emotions. A moon in Cancer makes us more sensitive, while a moon in Aries sparks action. Be mindful of Mercury retrograde. Avoid signing contracts or making big decisions during this period. Use transits to time important events. Planning a career move? Look for Jupiter transiting your midheaven, MC, or Saturn forming a strong aspect to your sun or midheaven. For example, Jupiter conjunct your midheaven is one of the best times for career expansion, job promotions, and public recognition. This transit happens approximately every 12 years, making it a powerful yet rare opportunity for professional growth. Meanwhile, Saturn conjunct your midheaven can bring hard work, responsibility, and long-term career stability. However, it requires commitment and discipline. Only those prepared to step up to new challenges will see lasting rewards. By aligning with cosmic rhythms, you can make better decisions and feel more in sync with life's natural flow. Your birth chart isn't static. It evolves with you over time. One way to see this is through progressions. a method in astrology that tracks how your chart gradually shifts as you grow. For example, if your progressed sun moves into a new sign, you might feel a subtle change in how you express yourself. A Gemini sun progressing into Cancer could make someone more introspective, while a progressed Aries sun moving into Taurus might bring more patience and stability. By checking your progressions, you can understand personal growth phases and prepare for life's transitions in a more meaningful way. So the next time someone asks, "What's your sign?" you'll know the real answer. You are so much more than just your sun sign. Your birth chart holds the key to unlocking your full potential, your emotions, your relationships, your career, and your destiny. Want to uncover your own birth chart? There's a free tool linked in the description where you can generate it and start exploring your cosmic blueprint today. Astrology is a vast and fascinating world, and there's always more to explore. What's your rising sign? Do people see you the way astrology predicts? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new cosmic insight. And if you want to align your life with the power of the stars, download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner. Link in the description. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.